I'm Evan and I'm a Client Solutions Manager here at Ground Control. Welcome to our product showcase. Today we're talking about the RockBLOCK Switch and Sense. I'm going to be talking you through some really cool and exciting new tech with the product and how you can use it. Let's get into it. So, the RockBLOCK Sense and Switch. Is it two products or one? I'll let you into a secret. It's one. But because of its I/O options, we can see this device being used in an unmanned or off-grid situation in a variety of ways. Firstly, you can use it as a remote switching tool, where it will literally switch something on or off, like an alarm or a gate or a sensor or something like that. You can also use it to sense the state of connected sensors, from the on-off, from the pressure, from the flow, anything that's connected to that will detect the state of it. And finally, you could use it as both. So sensing the state of a sensor and then triggering it to do something. And most importantly of all, this device is connected to the Iridium satellite network. So even though you're completely off-grid and completely out of range of cellular and Wi-Fi, you will still get your data back home and be able to connect and talk to your sensors in the field. Iridium is a network of 66 low Earth orbit satellites, constantly roaming the globe. That means no matter where you are, you have 100% coverage with the satellites, so long as you can see the sky. So let's talk about the switch capability of the device. The unit itself has an open drain output with a one-shot or pulse capability. This means you can remotely turn off and, with the power up resistor and connected relay, turn equipment back on, such as a pump or a heating or cooling system. Or, using the pulse feature, you could vary the amount of power sent to the equipment, so you can pulse the switch in predefined increments. This is perfect for triggering an alarm, or lighting a beacon if there's a gas leak, or even triggering a heater so that it keeps equipment from freezing. Its sense capabilities include two digital inputs with dry contact, meaning the connected sensors don't require a power supply. So, for example, if you wanted to secure the gates or windows or doors at a remote facility, then you could extract that sensor data from the entry points and then trigger an alarm if unusual activity is detected. The analog input captures the readings from a connected analog device. Picture a remote environmental scenario, for example. You could connect an external temperature sensor to the RockBLOCK Sense and convert that voltage into a temperature reading. You can then transmit that reading over the satellite, so you can have up-to-date, real information about a changing scenario in the weather or the environment that the device is installed in. The analog input also has an alarm capability. So you could set an upper and lower threshold, and if the voltage varies on either side of that, it will trigger the alarm. Because the device has both sense and switch capability, when combined, it is a very powerful device. For example, you could be detecting the sensors on your piece of equipment, and if you detect an anomaly, then server side, you can send out a switch command to address that anomaly. In addition to the satellite link, there are also two other ways that you can communicate with the device. The unit itself has a BLE Bluetooth connection. So via our app, you can configure it and set data points as you see fit. But you can also access it through Cloudloop, our very advanced, comprehensive, cloud-based software platform. Cloudloop is our IoT platform. From here, you can dive into the results of your data, look at your usage, control the unit, and decide where you want to send that data to. It's an incredibly powerful backend, and that, paired with our satellite technology, creates an end-to-end solution. As you can see, the remote switching and sensing capability of these devices can save you from having to send someone out to site to take manual readings. It can create greater operational efficiency and also make it more sustainable for the environment, allowing you to conserve power requirements, for example, or to make actionable decisions based on changing climate or weather. The RockBLOCK Sense and Switch provides a remote, easy to use, scalable and zero infrastructure satellite powered device, allowing you to gain greater operational efficiency in the field. If you have a remote switch or sensing project or opportunity that you would like to discuss, please reach out to us and we'd love to help you solve it together.